So we have lost one of these. We need 20, we've got 19. We did lay them out because we were gonna, you know, have it right next to where we were gonna put it together. But we lost one, so that's great. Somehow with the dirt moving and we scooping stuff and stepping around, and so one has come up missing. But we got this metal detector a couple months ago. We were kind of interested in it, and you know, we're messing around with it. So what I'm gonna do is hopefully find this foot that we're missing. The first thing I'm gonna do is try to hear the tone of the foot, because like the different metals make different noises. Like that makes that. All right, well, apparently most metals right now are making the same noise. Like you can hear that. But that one makes...
Yeah, next to the pool, it makes it...
does like an overload noise. It says overload on it. But this is kind of a cool metal detector because it shows you your battery life, your sensitivity. You can set it for like if you want to, depending on what you want to get. But it detects, so it'll tell you what you're picking up: silver, gold, steel, all sorts of other types of metal, and also tell you your depth. So we're gonna go around this pool and hopefully we're gonna find this foot. Now the pool itself is metal, so I feel like it's beeping, but anywhere that we've dug, I'm just gonna go ahead and see if I can. I feel like that's the wall because it does it every time I go over there. Try right here. Right here? Yeah. I'm not a professional metal detector. Oop. Might need a shovel too though. Oh, okay.
That's not it.
That's not it. Here, hold that. No. Let's keep that out of the tractor tires. I kind of feel like that's the wall of the pool though. Something right here. I can see grass though. I know that that's not below the level of what we were doing. So I know that's not going to be the piece. Aaron, try this one. Oh my goodness.
And we would never have found that.
Never found that. All right, well there it is. Okay, cool. You guys.